Over there near the corner of the screen, I have an Exerpeutic inversion table. It's really an excellent inversion table. This, take the pin out, is an Exerpeutic foldable, stationary, recumbent bicycle. Let me get it set up so that you can see it in the screen, right? I spent about an hour of my day yesterday unboxing this thing and assembling it, and I was going to use that as the video, but I figured it was more important to talk about the unit itself. Give you a good look at what you see when you open up the box. It was easy enough to get everything unpacked and laid out. Here you have the backrest that folds for storage. You have the seat. You have the heart monitor sensors on the right. You have the heart monitor sensors on the left. You have the onboard computer. You have the tensioner. You have the pedals. And you have the pull that allows you to adjust the height of the seat. Years ago, when I was younger and in better condition, I was a fitness specialist. So I've always kind of poo-pooed this type of equipment until now I'm a senior citizen, and I find this to be an excellent solution to one of my problems. Not only does it help me get cardiovascular exercise, but in the last year, I have found that my knees have been getting weak, and working out on this recumbent bike in a special way tensions the muscles around my personal knees. I don't know if it'll help you or not, but in the last few days, I believe it has helped me strengthen the area around my knees, helping me get up and down stairs, walk better, etc., etc. I've had my Exerpeutic inversion table now for over a year. It has been an excellent product. I see no reason why this unit will not last me for a long time and allow me to get a lot of good exercise and use out of it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. YouTube really wants me to get more subscribers. Leave a comment if you have time. Let me know whether you use stationary bikes, whether you use them at the gym. And as always, I want to send you my wishes for a wonderful day. I want to send you my wishes for a wonderful life. That's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to make sure I have a wonderful life.